YouTube, what up, welcome back. Another video, another day with the cars, bro. So, this video gonna be me. I wanna get my wheel replaced. Well, rim, welded. As y'all know from the video from when I posted this car, I think it was the video before last. I had a crack in my rim. The tire shop attempted to repair it. Whatever they did, it didn't hold. And I went to drive the car yesterday. I was gonna drive it for work. And I came in the garage and noticed my tire was flat. So I unbolted all that last night. So I'm finna go take care of that. First, I'm gonna warm up the old school because this is what we ride during the day. We had that cold start. I drove this car yesterday. Baby, on the time. Let this warm up in the driveway. Get it out the garage. It's a pretty day out, y'all. Beautiful day. Hope y'all doing all right. Y'all staying blessed. And a good spirit, whatever life throw at you, you'll get through it, my brothers and my sisters, if y'all watching. Yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all around, let y'all see the car. Here we go. Let's walk around. She dirty right now, but probably can't tell on camera. That cam chopping. I had got my exhaust fixed. Everything looking good, sounding good. Pop the hood. Inside dirty. With the vacuum. Clean off my back seat. I'll get to that. The heart. Full of coolant. Thing running good. Check my oil, my trans fluid. Wipe this off. Stay tuned. Just wiped it off. Let's see where she at. Full. Oh, the oil good, but wipe this off. Actually cut the car off. Check the oil. So it ain't pumping all through the motor. What?
too short. They can play.
Yeah, I need to add oil, y'all. Look at this. What damn? YouTube. Since I gotta add oil in this car, I ain't got none on me right now. The oil that I use for this car, I use Valvoline High Mileage 10W30. So I ain't got none right now. But I'm crushing for time. Cause Joe dropped my wheel off, so I'm gonna take my work car out of that in that car and then come back and do all my oil and get all the parts for my other car. So y'all stay tuned, man. We got motion today. All right, this is where the crack at. See a little bit right here. I'm gonna load it in my workhorse. We'll get that taken care of. I need to clean this car off too, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. YouTube, I got the wheel welded. This is where the crack was. Put a nice little bead in there. So yeah, my pop said he can put the tire on, so I'm gonna get that done. Stay tuned. Got the wheel on. It's gonna be a cold start here. Oh shit, I ain't got my key. But this the place I went to, anybody in the Baton Rouge surrounding areas need their rims fixed. There you go. All right, here we are. Key, cold start. Tighten this rim up. I'ma do that, cut y'all back on. Gotta go by my pop's house. Work on my other car that's over there. I'll show y'all when I get there. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube. Checking in. Just showing y'all the engine. That's all. And I made it to my parents' house. Car's dirty. Yeah. Remember I told y'all, gotta work on my other car. Let me show y'all that. Y'all been subscribed to the channel. Y'all know this car already. You gotta order a fender and a bumper. This car was in mint condition, but some unfortunate things happened and gotta deal with that BS, but that's another situation. Car got a valve cover leak. Ran good, damn good engine. But gotta pull all this off to change the valve covers. I also gotta change the brakes as well. So the brakes are pretty bad now, but I got all that pulled up. These are the parts. Gasket set and front and rear brakes. So that'll probably be it for this video. Probably insert some driving in the Camaro when I get back home. I'm back on the road. I don't know. We gonna see. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube. Checking back in. Just not finished working on my other car. My oil leak fix. It's late. So I'm finna head home. Y'all hear that cam chopping in this bitch. Bye. I'll check back in with y'all once I get home. Hi YouTube. I made it back home. So yeah. Made it this far. Thank y'all for watching. So if you like, comment, subscribe. I can keep dropping these bangers. Stay tuned for future videos, man. I'm out. YouTube, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's the next day. Remember I told y'all my oil was low in the old school, so I ended up buying some oil yesterday and some more zinc additive. So instead of just adding oil, I'm gonna just drain the remaining oil that's in there and just put the new oil in it. I'm not changing the filter. I usually change my filters every other oil change, so that's the deal with that. Right now I'm just chilling in the living room. Enjoying my peace, man, while I still have it, you know. But let's go get busy, bro. Time to get active for the day. You know what? I was in her all day yesterday. She doing good. I got that tire fixed. Y'all would have seen by now, so. Matter of fact, let me check that while I just come out here. I know it's good though, because it got welded, but as you can see, we still holding air pressure. This car is dirty. I need to wash it. I'll probably wash it. I don't know. Looks like a pretty day outside. I might just do that. So y'all a little bit. Pretty day. So yeah, man, I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm finna get busy. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. I did my rims off my car. I gotta jack the car up now. I can see still. Oh, look black. Now that I'm under the car, y'all can get a better look. My exhaust, they got welded. Everything look pretty good. It's just about finished. Put the cap back on, put the do-all in. Alright, that's the oil I use. Evelyn, standard blend, high mileage, 10W30. How it looks. And I add in this zinc. So there's that. Alrighty, got my keys. I'm gonna give it a cold start. I'm gonna move my work car so it can hide in the driveway. I think that might be wrong, you know? For some reason this light just turned orange, which is weird. Now fuck with the wires, now it turned back white. Oh no, these lights are always tripping. Usually this one. It was this one, I fixed this one. I think I fixed this one too, because ever since I did what I did, I haven't been doing it, but sometimes this white script will come off where it won't show. Now I have to visit them wires. But I end up making them wires tighter and use a zip tie across the connection to keep it tight and firm, and it's been fine. But here's a walk around of the car. It's dirty, of course. It's hot as fuck out here. I probably ain't washing no cars today. But everything sounding good. Let it idle since I just put the new oil in there. We're gonna go from there. I need to clean it out though, so yeah, I'm gonna do that as well. I'm gonna do that now. I got it out. Now YouTube, I got it all cleaned out. Just taking a trip, quick trip around the corner. Wow, this bitch sounds so good, y'all. Love this car. Drives so smooth. Y'all listen to how smooth this bitch is. Beautiful day out. Out today, pull up on my partner. Beautiful day to ride old school. Good old Sunday. Turn y'all around. Inside cleaned out. Remove my jumper cables and stuff, put it in the trunk. looking good though. Clean my garage out. Driver response is crazy in this car. Man, this car sounds so good. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I drop these videos. I'm gonna keep dropping. I'm trying to make content for y'all. I'm in a troubling time of my life right now, but ain't gonna let it get me down. Y'all stay tuned, I'm out.